Hi guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a simple dish which is called ground beef rice. It is a dish that is popular in Hong Kong and it is perfect for anyone who wants to look for a one-pot meal in less than 30 minutes. The good point about this dish is its simplicity, and it is ideal for anyone who wants to prepare some food for kids bringing to school or as packed food in the office for lunch. Let me show you how do I prepare this quick and easy meal. Since I'm preparing a quick and easy meal, I'm using the store-bought ground beef freshly ground on the same day to save time. Season the beef with some white pepper, light soy sauce, and some cooking oil. If you prefer to mince the beef yourself, I recommend you to use either flank stick or rum. You may also add a little bit of water if it is too dry. Leave it aside and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Although we have marinated the beef, we still need some other seasonings. I mix some light soy sauce with some dark soy sauce. And also oyster sauce. Add some water to dilute it because it is quite sticky, then set aside. In a separate bowl, combine the cornstarch with some water to form a cornstarch slurry. Next, we need to saute the onion. Cut it into small dice. And then saute it with some oil over low heat. Until it becomes translucent and slightly caramelized. Then remove it from the pan. So now it's time to cook the ground beef. Add some oil to the same pan and saute the garlic. When it turns aromatic, add the ground beef. Cook the ground beef over medium heat and flip over from time to time. You don't really need to fully cook the beef at this stage. When it is about 70% cooked, add back the onion. Then add the soy sauce and oyster sauce that we prepared earlier. And then thicken it with the cornstarch slurry. Add some green peas. Then some Shaoxing wine, which is optional. And some sesame oil. Now the beef is done. Assuming you already have your steamed rice ready, now we can proceed to the final step. Now it is about to finish and it comes to the last step. Put some rice into a clay pot, preferably still hot. Then cover the rice with the ground beef. Make sure you put enough beef to cover all the rice. Make a small dent at the center. And then crack an egg. Cover it immediately and put it onto the stove. And cook it slowly by using a small flame for about 5 minutes. When the egg is partially cooked, remove and serve immediately. Alternatively, you can use a glassware or lunchbox. Make sure the rice and the beef are hot and cover it immediately. That's how I prepare the ground beef rice that is popular in Hong Kong with an egg on top. And if you like this recipe, I've included the recipe in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and give me a like. I hope I will see you soon again in some other videos on this channel soon. Bye for now.